Hi there, today we're going to be doing a tutorial on how to make a cup of tea. As you may know, there are several types of teas, such as the Mighty Matcha and various others, as you can see just on this board here. However, for today we're going to be focusing on the traditional breakfast tea. So let's get on to it, but first of all, let's get on to the ingredients. First of all, we're going to need one tea bag, so let's just quickly get that out first. And there we go. Next up, you're going to need a kettle filled up with water, so obviously make sure I have that. Next up, you're going to need milk. For this, I'm using semi-skimmed milk, however, you can choose whatever milk you'd like to, it just adds to the flavour generally. This next ingredient is actually optional, it is sugar, however, you can also use sweetener if you'd also feel like it. And last of all, you're going to need a mug with also a spoon. So once you've got all that, we're ready to start making some tea. For the first step, you want to start boiling the kettle. And once you've done that, you want to place the tea bag into the mug and then start pouring the hot water into the mug. You want to get a decent ways up, and once you've done that, we're going on to the next step. And then the next step is simply to let the tea brew for a bit, just to let the flavour fully come in. Also, for specifically when you're filling up, you want to make sure it's about 3/4 filled up, so once you've done that, we're going to wait for a little bit, leave it usually for about a minute or so, and once that's done, we're moving on to the next step. Once you've let the tea brew, you want to begin by taking the tea bag out, as so. Just give it a quick stir, and then once I've done that, let's get taken out, just like this. And the next step is to begin adding some milk. So let's go into that. Make sure to give it a good stir as well, just to make sure it gets that nice colour. And for the next step, you want to begin by getting either your sugar or sweetener, which once again is optional, you don't have to use this if you don't feel like it. Today I'm going to be using my sweetener, and I'm just going to pop 2 in, however you can put as many as you want in. And there we go, give it a quick stir, as so. And that is our last step. And now all that's left to do is enjoy. Tastes like a job well done. Once again, thank you for watching. I hope you found this tutorial enjoyable, and I hope you all have a good nice tea.